In this video, I'm going to make a brass finial for a candy dish using my Central Machinery hobby lathe. I need a finial for this piece that I turned on the wood lathe here. This is made from a duck pin bowling ball, and I've got another video on that process, but I just wanted to share what I'm doing for the finial here. I bought a fireplace set at a yard sale here in Florida for $2, and you can't believe the amount of brass this thing has in it. And this is one of the handles from the poker. It's threaded on this end, and it's a nice cast piece. It's been machined, and what I plan to do is cut the top of this thing off and then drill it out and put a piece of all thread in there, and that way I can use that as the handle for the top of this. So let's go over to the metal lathe. Don't have a real good way to chuck this up, so what I'm doing is I've got this thing wrapped in painter's tape, and I'm going to just bring up the live center into the only part of this that I know is concentric, where they drilled it for the tool, and then I'm just going to give it a nice firm twist with the chuck here, and then I'll go ahead and cut this thing off right here. The base is really too wide for this, so I'm cutting it down about 3/16 of an inch or so. And that's about as far as I think I can go. So I can go ahead and cut this off now. And as soon as it breaks free, I'm going to turn this lathe off. Got it. All right, that worked out better than I expected. All right, see how we did here. Well, good. I didn't really booger it up very much, and I turned the base of this down quite a bit. I tapped it for a piece of 832, and so now I can turn it around in the lathe, and I have a way to turn it the other way so that I can round this off. So be kind of careful because I'm pretty close to the chuck right here. So just kind of round it, get that surface cleaned up there. All right, so I can now go to my sanding block and kind of get all the oxidation off of this. I'll give this a good polish. These are really excellent for this kind of work. About a 10-pack of these at Harbor Freight. Gosh, couldn't have been more than $3 or $4, and I'll tell you what, I get good use out of these. Then we go to a finer grit here. And I think this is going to look really nice on that bowl. Gotta love that. I'll put 2 thin coats of lacquer on this, and that should prevent it from tarnishing, or at least delay it for a long time. Here's kind of a before and after. This was the tool that we started off with. We took the handle, cut off this little pond piece right here, center drilled, added the all thread. So let's put it on the candy dish and see how it looks. Nice and snug there. And there you have it. What do you think? Leave me a comment. Tell me what you thought about this video and this project. There is another video that I did where I make this dish here, the top and bottom, and I'll include the link in the description for this video and probably put a link at the end of this one as well. Thanks so much for watching.